This is the Hello World Podcast. How did this crazy chaos around us affect your business?
I decided that after a very, very long time, 4 decades of the corporate world, that, I wanted to get away from everything. There were a lot of things associated with the corporate world that I no longer wanted to do, the politics, the pressures, etc. And there was a freedom that I wanted to experience, to be able to do what I wanted to do, but do it using my hours and my times and etc. Sadly, I did it 1 month before the pandemic happened. And I mean, to say it in a nutshell, I mean, the world came crashing down. I mean, essentially, business stopped. Which for the first month wasn't really much of an issue, because it was nice to unwind. But it was very, very hard. I mean, getting new customers, establishing a name, trying to earn anything was brutal. And I would say the first 3 months were, there were tremendous lesson learning, but it's not really something I'd like to repeat again. So yes, it was certainly bad time.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to others.